Hey everybody! So everyone always asks me, what's our go-to camera? Well, I wanted to introduce you to the GoPro. This happens to be the GoPro 11. And we've used the GoPro 11, the GoPro 10, we actually own all of them. But if you're taking a vacation or you're just looking to capture your kids, this camera is the camera that you want. Let me tell you why. A, obviously the size. It's super small and compact. It's really affordable, and the other thing is the stabilization. Nobody wants shaky footage for video. So if you're looking for a really great camera for this summer and for future summers, the GoPro is the camera that you want to get. But also, if you've seen our Lofoten Islands, Norway footage, we shot all of that footage with just a GoPro and a drone. So you can take a look at how beautiful that footage is as well. I'll leave my Amazon link below. And yes, I am an Amazon affiliate, which just means that yes, I do earn commissions off of your purchases if you purchase from my link, but it doesn't change the price. So it just helps to support my cause. So if you're looking for a great camera, you definitely want to take a look at the GoPro.